major Arcana candles, the ones that are named after major Arcana cards. I was looking at them, and they really, the thing that was hitting me in the head when I was looking at them is Georgie in the back of my head saying, the major Arcana are like large weather fronts coming through. And I was just like, that is kind of what these major Arcana candles are, that they're the wide-reaching, larger-based issues as they come through. And I want to spend a lot of time talking about the Tarot Tools candle, or the Tarot Spells candles, because they're a little bit more confusing, I think, than the other two sets, but or that they're not as self-explanatory, basically, as the other two sets. But let's go through the major Arcana candles and the Tarot Tools candles first, and then spend some time on the Tarot Spells, probably after we get back from the break. The major Arcana candles, Jackie, what would you say is probably the best purpose to use these for? And would you agree that these are probably big, huge weatherfront type of candles?
Well, I use them in both ways. Well, first of all, they're larger candles, so it's going to take a while to burn. It's about 80 hours of burn time on one of the Tarot Magic candles. And the Tarot Magic is the large major Arcana. The Tarot Tools are the smaller candles, a little more Tarot Magic spell. And then the Tarot Spells are the three votives together, just so everyone knows the difference between them. But the Tarot Magic candles I use in spell work for a big push. So you're right, the big weather front, if a big push for something or a big issue, I absolutely use those. I also use them for my own journey. So there's a difference between like personal evolution and casting a spell.